You cannot flee from these eyes. True power has been bestowed on one clan alone.
New anime come and go all the time, but some legendary old school anime are here to stay and worth watching. And as we all know, there are too many awesome old anime to watch, and new anime don't stand any chance in front of these all-time awesome anime. Let's see some of the old school anime which are worth watching in 2021. Vash the Stampede is a gunman on the run with a $60 billion bounty on his head, which has made it difficult for him to go anywhere without being chased and shot at. Every town he ever visits ends up being destroyed because of his pursuers, but miraculously no one ever gets killed. Meryl and Millie are two insurance agents that have been sent to find Vash the Stampede and keep him under surveillance so no more damage is caused. Vash the Stampede is arguably one of the coolest, toughest, and funniest characters ever created. He's everyone's favorite superhero, even though he demolishes everything he gets close to. Vash brings forth something that I think everyone has a little in themselves: compassion. If Vash had a middle name, it would be Compassion. Worth a watch no matter what type of series interests you. Himura Kenshin is a vagabond with a dark anime past and sunny disposition. Not a ronin but a rurouni, he was never a samurai, but an assassin of utmost skill in the Meiji Restoration, who in the turning point of the war simply walked away. His travels lead him to Tokyo in the 11th year of the Meiji era, where he befriends a female kendo master, a former thief, a brawler and a doctor, all with their own secrets. Together they fight off the enemies surfacing from their dark past that Kenshin cannot escape. Your deeds of the past is something you won't be able to evade, either ignore in any way. It will always come back gnawing at you. This is the tale of Himura Kenshin, who once was a ruthless assassin in the past, in his quest of finding redemption from his previous actions. One day, 14-year-old Yusuke Urameshi suddenly finds himself dead, having died pushing a child out of the way of oncoming traffic. Since he has such a bad personality, even the spirit world was caught by surprise that he would sacrifice himself. Yusuke soon finds out he wasn't supposed to die and has a chance for resurrection and bringing his body back to life. After being resurrected, Yusuke becomes a spirit detective, along with his comrades, and one adventure after another happens, whether it be an investigation or a fighting tournament. Guts, a man who calls himself the Black Swordsman, looks upon his days serving as a member of a group of mercenaries, the Band of the Hawk, nicknamed the Grim Reaper of the battlefield. Led by an ambitious, ruthless, and intelligent man named Griffith, together they battle their way into the royal court, and are forced into a fate that may change. More Guts, a man who calls himself the Black Swordsman. Berserk is an amazing anime. Outlaw Star is a space opera space western set in the fictional Towards Star Zero universe. Gene Starwind and his partner Jim Hawking run a small business on the backwater planet of Sentinel-3. But all that changes the day that Hilda hires them for a bodyguard job. Now, thrust into a mystery they don't fully understand, they're on the run from the cops, the pirates, an angry alien, and a mysterious assassin. But they've got one thing going in their favor: they have the galaxy's most advanced ship, the Outlaw Star. In the post-nuclear apocalyptic future in 199X, the human race has regressed. Weak villagers are reduced to slavery, while genetically enhanced giants rule the world. Gunpowder seems only a distant memory, and the martial arts is the only weapon a man can count on. Two schools face one another in the battle for dominion, Hokuto Shinken and Nanto Seiken. The series begins when the Hokuto successor, Kenshiro, travels the desert to confront Shin, a member of the Nanto Roku Seiken, their 6 ruling stars, who has taken his fiancée Yulia. Made in America from 3 unrelated anime. The first part tells of humanity's first contact that ends in a war. Rick Hunter is a pilot who gets dragged along with the SDF-1 and joins with them to stop the invaders. Lin Minmel is a singer who Rick rescues and falls for. Together they try to save the Earth and end the war without fighting, but with love. The second part deals with the children of the first. The rebuilding complete, we send the SDF-3 to attack the Masters. While it travels out in hyperspace to their worlds, the Masters crawl into our solar system. The Earth must fight a devastating second war for a secret prize. Someone else wants the prize, the Invid. The third part gives us a world controlled by the Invid. The SDF-3 sends a probing force that is destroyed upon exiting hyperspace. A single survivor remains, a man taught to fight, with the will to free Earth. He forms a resistance with the goal of destroying the Invid hive at Reflux Point, aka New York. Their best hope of making it through the conflict is the Gundam, a giant humanoid robot, and its gifted teenage pilot. It is the year 0079 of the Universal Century. A war has broken out between the Principality of Zeon, a space colony that wants independence, and the Earth Federation. Mobile Suit Gundam is a televised anime series, produced and animated by Sunrise. Urusei Yatsura is the story of the unluckiest and most lecherous young man alive, Ataru Moriboshi. When aliens decide to invade Earth, Ataru is randomly selected to defend his planet by playing a game of the aliens' national sport, tag. Should he win, the world shall be saved. However, Ataru is motivated for far less noble reasons, as the one he plays against is revealed to be the curvaceous alien princess, Lum.
Sakuragi Hanamichi is a junior high punk used to getting into fights and being rejected by girls, but upon entering high school he meets the girl of his dreams, Haruko Akagi. He will do anything in order to win her heart, including joining the school basketball team that is aiming to conquer the nation led by Haruko's brother. The problem is that Sakuragi has never played basketball before and a freshman sensation is stealing the spotlight and Haruko's affection from him. Slam Dunk is one of those classics of sports anime. You always hear about it and wonder if it actually is the best thing since sliced bread. Well, it isn't, but it is funny and entertaining and worthwhile if you have the patience for it.